Hello children, let us study in this video equations of uniformly accelerated motion. Actually, we have three equations for which the bodies travels in uniform motion. These three equations which gives us relationship between initial velocity, final velocity, distance travelled, acceleration, etc. Right? So what are the three equations of motion? The first one is v equal to u plus at. Second one is s is equal to ut plus half at square. And the third one is v square minus u square equal to 2as. These are the three equations of motion of which the bodies travels in uniform accelerated motion. Here u is initial velocity, v is final velocity, a is acceleration and t is time and s is the distance travelled. So first let us learn the first equation of motion, that is called v equal to u plus at. So this equation tells us the velocity acquired by a body in a time t. Velocity acquired by a body in time interval t. Right? Students, so this is the body. Suppose this is the body. Which is traveling with initial velocity u at time t equal to 0 second. After t seconds, velocity acquired by a body is v and the distance travelled is s. We know that acceleration is nothing but change in velocity by time taken. What is acceleration formula? Change in velocity by time taken. So acceleration equal to change in velocity, that is from u to v. Change means v minus u by t. So cross multiplication a into t, at equal to v minus u. So minus u you transpose, it will become plus u. Therefore v equal to what? V equal to u plus at. So this relationship which gives velocity acquired by a body in time t. So that is our first equation of motion. What is our first equation of motion? V equal to u plus at. Velocity acquired by a body in time t. Right? Now coming to second equation of motion, that is s equal to ut plus half at square or 1 by 2 at square. So this equation tells us distance travelled by a body in time t. So this equation, it gives the distance travelled by a body in time t. S is nothing but distance travelled by a body in time t. As we know that, what is average velocity? So we have initial velocity u and final velocity v. So average velocity nothing but initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. Sum of observations by number of observations. We have two observations, one is u and other one is v. So u plus v by t. 2. Also we know that what is average velocity? Velocity is nothing but distance travelled in a particular direction to the time taken. Also we call it as displacement by time taken. So displacement by time taken. Average velocity v equal to displacement is s by time taken is t. So v equal to s by t. Right? v equal to s by t. Displacement by time taken. So this is our equation number 2. If you observe equation number 1 and equation number 2, left hand sides both are average velocity only. If left hand sides are equal, I can equate right hand sides. So from 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and equation number 2, I can say that u plus v by 2 equal to s by t. U plus v by 2 equal to s by t. Okay. Now let us do cross multiplication. U plus v into t equal to 2 into s, 2s. 2 into s, 2s. Children, let us here we have u plus v into what? T. U plus v into t. From equation number 1, first equation of motion, we know that v equal to u plus at. This is our first equation of motion. Plus u transpose, it will become v minus u equal to at. Here a is multiplying, transpose this side, v minus u by a equal to t. Students, what do you mean by t? In place of t, I can write as v minus u by a. So let me write here, in the place of this u plus v as it is, I can also write as v plus u or u plus v, both are same. In place of t, let us write as v minus u by a equal to 2s. V minus, or else one thing we will do. Instead of writing that, what we will do, in the place of v, this is u, plus in the place of v, we know that v equal to what? U plus at, right? In the place of v, let us write u plus at into t equal to 2s. Okay, what we did here, u as it is I wrote, children. In place of v, I wrote as u plus at, because we know v equal to u plus at. V equal to u plus at. Now u plus u, that implies 2u plus at into t equal to 2s. So now let us multiply 2u into t, 2ut plus at into t, at square equal to 2s. As 2 is multiplying here, transpose this side, 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2 equal to s. So 2 gets cancelled. We got ut plus 1 by 2 at square. That implies what? Yes. So we got the second equation of motion, that is s equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. It gives us distance travelled by a body in time t. So that is s equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. So what? Once again I am explaining. Average velocity is nothing but initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. From the definition of average velocity, distance travelled in a particular direction, that is nothing but displacement by time taken. Displacement is s, by time taken is t. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, left hand sides are equal, I can equate right hand sides. Right hand sides are u plus v by 2 equal to s by t. Cross multiplication, u plus v into 2 t equal to 2 into s, 2s. U in place of v, in the place of v, I can write as u plus at. That is the reason in the place of v I wrote as u plus at, this t common, 2s. U plus u, 2u in plus at into t equal to 2s. 2u into t, 2ut plus at into t, at square equal to 2s. As 2 is multiplying, transpose 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2 equal to s. 2 gets cancelled. We got ut plus 1 by 2 at square, nothing but s. Right? This is our second equation of motion. Now coming to third equation of motion. What is our third equation of motion? That is v square minus u square equal to 2as. This is our third equation of motion. It gives us the velocity acquired by a body in travelling a distance s. Velocity acquired by a body in travelling a distance s. That is v square minus u square equal to 2as. Right? So students, we know that from equation number 1 and equation number 2, what we got from equation number 1 and equation number 2? We got u plus v by 2 equal to s by t we got from equation number 1 and equation number 2. Right? So let us multiply u plus v by u plus v into 2 equal to 2s. 2s. What? Cross multiplication u plus v into t equal to 2 into s, 2s. Students, this u plus v, let it be from equation number 1. We know v equal to u plus at plus u transpose minus u equal to at. Here a is multiplying, transpose it will divide, equal to t. So in place of t, I can write as v minus u by a equal to 2as. So children, which is in the form of v plus u into v minus u. That is the formula of x plus y into x minus y. Nothing but x square minus y square. So we can write as v square minus u square equal to cross multiplication 2s into a, 2as. So that is our third equation of motion. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. So these are the three equations of motion for the bodies which travels with a uniform acceleration. So first one is v equal to u plus at, which gives the relationship between, it gives velocity acquired by a body in time t. It gives velocity acquired by a body in time t. It gives distance traveled by a body in time t. It gives velocity acquired by a body in a time distance traveled in s. So those are the three equations of motion, three equations of uniformly accelerated motion. V equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square, v square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay children, I hope you understood today's session. Thank you.